If you want to improve your shuffle, these 7 tips could save you months of practice. Tip number 7 could completely change the way you practice. Tip 1. Master the basics first. Before chasing harder moves, make your running man and T-step clean, controlled, and natural. Fewer moves, better foundation. Tip 2. Record yourself. What feels good doesn't always look good. Video helps you catch timing problems, stiff posture, uneven steps, and habits you don't notice while dancing. Tip 3. Build speed gradually, practice slow, then medium, then fast, clean technique first, speed second. Tip 4. Practice transitions. Knowing individual moves isn't enough if you can't connect them smoothly. The flow often happens between the moves. Tip 5. Smooth beats complicated. A simple move done beautifully usually looks better than a difficult move done badly. Control and timing beat showing off. Tip 6. Use your arms and upper body. Don't dance only with your feet. Let your shoulders, arms, and upper body follow the rhythm. That's what makes the whole dance feel alive. And now, tip 7. Develop your own style. At first, copying is normal. That's how you learn. But the goal isn't to become someone else. Take the basics, the flow, the musicality, and make them yours. That's when shuffle stops looking like practice and starts looking like you. Now it's your turn. What's one shuffle tip, practice trick, or small change that genuinely helped you improve? Share it in the comments. We're building a shuffle community here, so let's help each other get better. Your tip might be exactly what another dancer needs to hear.